Hope you understand the 12 tenses. We explain total 12 tenses. So I explain shortly. So there are three times are there. So three tenses are there. Past tense, present tense, future tense. So in past time, four tenses are there. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. In present time, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. In future time, four tenses. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So simple past means completed actions. జరిగిపోయిన పనులు సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ అంటారు. దాని ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ ఇస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ V2 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ did not V1 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. సో ఫర్ ఆల్ pronouns we use V2. Example, we went to market. In that sentence, we is subject, V2 is the verb, V2, market is the object. Next, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means action going to happen specific point of time in the past. అంటే పాస్ట్ లో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా ఈ టైం కి ఏం చేస్తున్నాము అని చెప్పేదే పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. సో దీని ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ ఇస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ వాస్ బై వర్ ప్లస్ V4 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ వాస్ బై వర్ నాట్ V4 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ప్రొనౌన్స్ I, he, she, it was, we, you, they were. So example, so I was teaching grammar at this time yesterday. So like that. So clue words are at this time yesterday, at this time last week, at this time last month, like that. Simple past clue words last week, last month, previous years. Past perfect, subject structure for past perfect is subject plus had V3 plus object. So I had completed my homework by this time yesterday. This is the past perfect tense example. So this is the past perfect tense. Next, past perfect continuous tense. Action happening in specific point of time in the past and ended in specific point of time in the past. So past లో జరిగిపోయి past లో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి past లోనే జరిగిపోతే that is called past perfect continuous tense. Structure for past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had been V4 plus object. So for all pronouns had been V4. So I had been studying my MA English from 2017 to 2019. Clue words for past perfect continuous tense is from and to. Now present time. In present time also four tenses are there. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. So simple present, daily habits, universal truths, proverbs, feelings. These all comes under simple present tense. Structure for simple present tense is subject plus V1 by V5 plus object. Pronoun changing I, we, you, they, V1, he, she, it, V5. So example, health is wealth, old is gold, some kind of proverbs or comes under simple present tense. I go to market daily, I go to temple daily, I go to library daily. So this type of structure. I is a subject, go is a V1, object is market, like that. So clue words are usually, daily, seldom. This all clue words comes under simple present tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense means exactly what is going to happening in front of you, that is called present continuous tense. అంటే మన కళ్ళ ముందు జరుగుతున్న పనులన్నీ కూడా present continuous tense అని అంటారు. So structure for present continuous tense, subject plus am is are V4 plus object. For pronouns I am, he, she, it is, we, they are. So I am teaching now. So I am teaching at this moment. Clue words at this moment, listen, look. These all are clue words comes under present continuous tense. So next one, present perfect tense. This is the most important tense in tenses part. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means our life experiences, recently completed actions. One action repeated several times means this order comes under present perfect tense. Structure for present perfect tense is subject plus have, has, V3 plus object. That is positive structure. Negative structure subject plus have, has not, V3 plus object. Clue words for just now, for, and this month, this week. These all are clue words comes under present perfect tense. Example, so I have solved this problem many times. I have solved this problem several times. So I have just completed my lunch. I have just completed my lunch. Have you ever eaten sushi before? Subject plus have, has, V3 plus object. Next, present perfect continuous tense. Action start in the past and continue in the present. That is called present perfect continuous tense. So example, I have been teaching grammar since 3 o'clock. So action start in the past, still happening in the present. That is called present perfect continuous tense. So clue words for present perfect continuous tense is since and for. Next one, we are going to simple future. So future time, first one, simple future. Simple future means జరగబోయే పనులు, ఫ్యూచర్ జరగబోయే పనులు, యాక్షన్ అకరింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్. స్ట్రక్చర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ విల్ బై షెల్ V1 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. I, we, shall, remaining pronouns will. Example, I will go to London tomorrow. So in the sentence, action happening in the future. So like that. So I we pronouns shall, remaining pronouns will. So same like that, simple past two words only, yesterday, last week. But here we tells about future timings, tomorrow, next month, next week, like that. Future continuous. Future continuous tense means action going to happening in the specific point of time in the future. Future లో రేపు ఈ టైం ఖచ్చితంగా జరిగే పనుల్ని ఫ్యూచర్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ అని అంటారు. Structure subject plus will be shall be for plus object. I we shall be, remaining pronouns will be. So I will be attending my sister's marriage. Next one, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. So I will have attended the public examinations by this time tomorrow. Oh, this is the future perfect tense example. Clue words: by this time tomorrow, by this time next week, by this time next month. These are clue words comes under future perfect tense. Next one, and last and final one, future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense means action going to happening in the specific point of time in the future and again ended in some point of time in the future. That is called future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Example: we will have been flying to London by this time tomorrow. So this is the future perfect continuous tense. So I we shall have been, remaining pronouns will have been. This is the future perfect continuous tense. The 12 tenses short forms. So hope you understand the total tenses class. Future perfect structure: subject plus will have, shall have, be3 plus object. Future perfect continuous structure: subject plus will have been, shall have been, be4 plus object.